Hello everyone, my name is TANG YUXUAN. Today I'm very happy to present my Figma redesign project, Capsule. In this presentation, I will first explain the problems of the original template. Then, I will show my screen-by-screen redesign strategies based on the human-computer interaction and the multimedia learning principles. Finally, I will show you the complete interactive phototype network in Figma. Let's start with the background. School safety education is very important for primary school students. However, many character digital apps fall because they use the auto-centric design and the design's taste wars. Children aged 6 to 12 have limited vocabulary and short attention spans. When they say too many words, they feel cognitive fatigue and do not want to learn. Therefore, we need an app tailored specifically to children's cognitive models. To guide my redesign, I did a heuristic evaluation of the original template and found 4 major problems. First, there is a contextual mismatch. The original template includes commercial elements like $15 and 8 to cart buttons, which confuse children on a school app. Second, the pages have cognitive test words that ignore children's low literacy. Third, although social logins create privacy risk for minors. Lastly, features like payment management are completely useless during a real CAPS crisis. Now let's look at the screen-by-screen redesign, starting with the screens 1 to 4. I completely changed the login gate. I integrate the popular TANG YUXUAN cartoon character on the launch screen. This immediately builds emotional trust and affinity for young users. To protect children's privacy, I permanently removed the high-risk Facebook and Google logins. Instead, I designed a simple student ID and a parent's phone login to keep their personal data safe. Next, let's move to the screens 5 to 8, which are the main dashboard and the learning sections. I removed the complex vocational categories from the original template. Instead, I refactored the interface into 3 creative safety perils: fire safety, anti-bullying, and traffic safety. To make it easier for kids, I added global school alerts and a major emergency SOS button. I also changed complex drop-down menus into simple guard buttons to stop children from making clicking errors. For screens 9 and 10, my design strongly applies Richard Mayer's multimedia learning principles. I changed the useless commercial payment page into a gamified reward center called My Safety Baggage to motivate children to learn actively. Following Mayer's redundancy principle, I replaced disease text with large fonts and simple 3-step actions with emojis, like the Victoria scarf. Following the spatial contiguity principle, I placed the words and the visuals close together so children can understand what to do in a split second during a crisis. This slide shows the interactive network I built in Figma. The app is very simple and easy for children to use. For example, the first page moves automatically, so kids do not need to click everything. All other pages use simple clicks to open. Most importantly, there is a big back arrow on the top left of every page. If children make a mistake or click the wrong button, they can go back easily. In conclusion, CapSafe is a secure, child-friendly, and fun app for school safety education. You can scan or click the Figma link on the screens to try my prototype. That's all my presentation. Thank you for your listening.